Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make lawar ayam. Lawar is the one of the most popular celebration dishes in Bali. We make lawar when we have a special occasion like galungan, kuningan, a wedding ceremony, and for a family gathering. We have so many different kind of lawar, and the one I make today is using delicious young jackfruit and chicken. So let's start. First, I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that I'm going to use later. Here I have jackfruit, chicken breast, chili and shrimp paste sambal, fried shallot, fried garlic, bumbu genep, kaffir lime fruit, salt, and some fresh water. For the bumbu genep and chili and shrimp paste sambal recipe, please check the link on the description. So let's make it. First, I'm going to boil the water. When the water reaches the boiling point, I will add the jackfruit. And while we're waiting the water now, I will chop the chicken. Chop it as fine as you can. I didn't use blender here because I also don't want the chicken too fine. That's enough. Add 2 tablespoons of bumbu genep. Mix it well. Let's put into banana leaf. Because I'm going to grill it later. Let's put it aside. The water is ready. Let's add the jackfruit. Oh, before that, I will add some salt as well. I cook the jackfruit for 10 to 25 minutes or until it's soft enough, but not too mushy. The jackfruit is cooked. Actually, it takes 30 minutes, so 10 minutes more longer than I thought. Let's turn off the cooker. Let it cool down. So now let's cook the chicken. Medium. I'm going to grill this. I cook the chicken for 10 minutes or until it's completely cooked. Let's turn it over. The chicken is cooked. Let's turn off. I'm going to put it aside to cool it down. So now let's grate the jackfruit. And now I'm going to squeeze the jackfruit to get rid of the excess water. Now let's mix the lawar. Put the jackfruit aside here. And add the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of bumbu genep. You can add it more if you wish to. I start with 2 tablespoons first. Around 1 tablespoon of fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of fried shallot. I cut the kaffir lime fruit first. The kaffir lime fruit is optional. You can add it or you can skip it. I just take it out the seed. Remove the seed, I mean. Put it here and add fried chili, around 1 tablespoon. If you want to less or more, it's entirely up to you. And a pinch of shrimp paste and pinch of salt. So let's mix. Squeeze the kaffir lime fruit. Mix with the bumbu genep and the chicken, the salad. Mix well. I have to say my mouth is start watering when I smell this, so yummy. I will try it first. I will add another 1 tablespoon of bumbu genep. Let's try it again. Perfect. Slice the kaffir lime fruit for garnish, and also some red shallot, red garlic, and chilies. Here we are, lawar ayam. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next recipe. Matur suksema, bye bye.